This is our front floor and tubs for the C2 mid-year edition for the Roadster Shop SPEC 7 chassis. We redesigned our tunnel to fit the floor. We redesigned our floor to fit the chassis. If you come up here, Andrew, look over in this corner with your camera. We've added basically 1.5 inches, well, more than 1.5 inches. At the bottom, it's about 1.5 inches, and at the top, about 3 inches. We've extended this footwell forward. And in the back here, we've dropped the back of it down 1 inch. So now if you picture this, your seat was like this. Now we just dropped your seat down, which means it's going to bring your butt down, it's going to bring your head down, it's going to move your feet forward. So now it gives you a little more room for a larger person to fit in one of these old Corvettes. So 3-piece front assembly, tunnel, big enough to accommodate a 8-speed automatic, Tremec 6-speed. Your floors now give you a little more room. You'll see where we cut this. We're going to show you in the car here in a minute. And just like the rear part of this assembly for the SPEC 7, everything on the bottom where you're going to see it is finished. So you got a hell of a nice finish on the bottom already. The top of it's our hand-laid part that's going to get covered up with carpet, insulation, sound deadener, whatever you choose to use. So this is the front part, 3-piece assembly. Come over here to the car. And in the car right now, if you notice, we have our convertible top. Convertible tops in, deck lids down all the way. And we have, when you put the tape measure to it, before we hit our tub, we're about 15 inches. I believe that's the 335 that's on the back of this car. Convertible top folded down inside of the car. You see this little bracket that we've put in here. We took this bow and we refigured this bow to fit, to help fold our top down inside of here. And so that's going to be your third bow back. We have a little bracket that we're going to sell you to help fold that top down. So here's your rear floor, your 2 tubs. There's your 2 front floors, your centerpiece for over your drive shaft, and we'll install the tunnel tomorrow and give you a final shot once it's all done. Thanks for watching.